kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Sky blue, orange, red, green, black, brown, light green, pink and blue color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. Now we are tracing letter B. Kids, this is letter C. Letter D. This is letter E. Kids, now we are tracing letter F. This is letter G. H. Kids, we are tracing letter I. This is letter J. K. Now we are tracing letter L. M. This is letter M. Now we are tracing letter N. This is letter O. P. Letter P. Now we are tracing letter Q. This is letter R. S. This is letter S. T. Kids, we are tracing letter U. This is letter V. W. This is letter X. Kids, we are tracing letter Y. This is letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z.